Well, here we go. This is our second day, and we have the noisiest young man is Griff, the spectacle owl, and the growly grumpy little lad, well, was going to be Kermit, and unfortunately he's a Fred, so he'll end up as Froglet Fred, or Fred the Frog. He makes the most extraordinary noise. Both of them have had their lunch. Neither of them are going to shut up, regardless of what I do. So, well, there we go. And of course, they have the little bear that we bought at Redland Fair to keep them company, and they seem to like him quite a lot. They also enjoy the dog's dog, which is the couch that the dogs like sleeping on. But their favourite at the moment is the daft bear with the hat. Now, is anybody going to shut up? No, that's definitely a no. Okay, I think this must be Cuddles time, so we'll turn off now. Bye.